Good morning, everyone. So, today I am explaining how to convert any data which is in inclusive form to exclusive. Now, what do we mean by inclusive and exclusive? I explained earlier that inclusive means what? This data is in inclusive form where you will see the discontinuity. We say the discontinuous also. Here 10 to 17 and then second class interval does not starts with 17. It starts with 18. So 18 to 25. So you see that there is gap. It is discontinuous and in inclusive all the numbers or datas are included. Like here 10 to 17, 10 is also included and 17 is also included. We have to change into exclusive. Exclusive form means continuous data where there is no gap between the upper limit and the suppose it starts with ends with 17, second one starts with 17 also. So what do we do when we have to change it? Because when we draw histogram or frequency polygon, we have to first convert into exclusive form. So we see that what is the gap, upper limit of the second one, that is 18 minus 17. It is lower limit of the next class and upper limit of the previous class. What is the difference? It is 1. We divide it by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5, or we can write half also. Now from all the lower limit we subtract 0.5 and all the upper limit we will add 0.5. So what is our data now? It is, if we subtract 10 to 17, data was 18 to 25, 26 to 33 and 34 to 41. All this upper limit we are going to add 0.5 and all lower limit we are subtracting 0.5. Now which type data we will get? 10 minus 9.5, it is 9.5. Here we are adding, it is 17.5. This you don't need to do again. You will see that same number will come here because we are subtracting. It is 25.5. Here 25.5 and here 33.5. Here 33.5 and 41.5. So you will see that there is no gap. It is a continuous or exclusive data. Always it is not, you have to see the gap also. Suppose our data is 10 to 17 and next class interval is 19 to 26. So you will see that what is the difference here? 19 minus 17 is 2. If you divide it by 2, it is 1. And that means what? All the lower limits you have to subtract by 1 and all the upper limit you have to add 1. Then the data will be in exclusive form.